97% are really in poverty level. The wealth of the nation is just in the few hands of the rich. And even mining. Tingnan mo yung mining. If you go by helicopter, hindi mo makita yan sita sa aeroplano. But if you get to ride on a low-flying air asset, makita mo yung parang tansan. Kayo mga enterprising reporters sa media, alam ninyo yan. Nakita ninyo yan. Huwag na tayo magbulakan. Parang because there, kaya if you have something in mind about Gina Lopez, kindly rethink. And think, look at her passion. Maybe a little bit, hindi masyado, but, tignan mo yung mining talaga. The rice fields that are crushed by a landslide and the waters that are contaminated. Wala akong kanyang mining. Ang problema lang, sabi ni ma'am, gusto niya na mine-free. Paano yan, ma'am? There's a law. If there is a law about mining, then mining is allowed. The problem is, nakita ko yung kalbo, and until now, malayo na yung binutas ninyo dyan because it's an open pit. At saka, pagka ganon, I have to support Lopez and I cannot help you. Let me just add that all you contribute to the country is about 70 billion in taxes. We can live without it. I would rather follow Gina na wag mo na lang minus the 70, maghanap buhay na lang tayo ng iba, get the 70 billion somewhere else, and preserve our environment. Wag na tayong magbulahan. Wag na tayong magbulahan. Kung ikaw wala ka sa mining tapos titignan mo, magmutang ina ka. Putang ina ninyo, anong ginagawa ninyo? Ilang years na kayo dyan tapos wala po ako nakitang green. So gusto ko after iniwan mo dito, lagyan mo ng kahoy ganito. Just cannot say go to court, that's illegal. No. We are here. Me, I begin and end my term in the altar of public interest. Mabuti ang magkaprangkahan tayo dito. Kasi malamig naman. So